Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check leaderboard on the Rush Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And you click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find the third option, the leaderboard, and you can check the leaderboard. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.